Amara, daughter of the Sun tribe, and Kael, a warrior of the Moon clan, met at the valley's edge. Their tribes were sworn enemies, but the moment their eyes met, they knew they were meant for each other. Their love was a light in the darkest of times. The tribes discovered their secret meetings. Amara was taken back to her village, while Kael was banished to the darkest peaks. They faced betrayal, not only by their people, but by those they called family, yet their love remained unbroken. Years later, Amara and Kael, now leaders of their tribes, stood once more at the valley. Their love had turned bitterness into wisdom. Together, they called upon the forces of nature, and the mountains themselves shifted, creating a bridge where none existed before. Peace was restored. As the tribes celebrated their unity, not all hearts embraced peace. A group of elders from both sides plotted in secret, fearing the loss of their ancient traditions. They sought to sabotage the bridge, a symbol of Amara and Kael's love and newfound harmony, but Amara sensed the danger brewing. Under the cover of darkness, the conspirators crept to the base of the bridge, chipping away at the rocks. But Kael, always vigilant, caught a glimmer of their torches in the distance. He realized the danger. This wasn't just about the bridge. It was a threat to the fragile trust they had built. Kael, with Amara at his side, stood before the gathered tribes at dawn. He revealed the elders' betrayal, but spoke not with anger, but with wisdom. Fear is a shadow, he said, and love is the light that makes it vanish. The elders were humbled, but not all were convinced. The tribes now faced a choice: to rebuild trust or risk falling into old divisions. The cracks in the bridge mirrored the fractures in trust between the tribes. The elders, though silent, had sown seeds of doubt. Amara stood at the edge of the bridge, her heart heavy with the weight of unspoken fears. What if love isn't enough to hold us together? She whispered to Kael. He took her hand, his grip steady and firm. Then we'll remind them what love is capable of. The earth trembled as if echoing the unrest in the hearts of the people. The bridge swayed dangerously, and villagers scrambled to safety. But Amara and Kael ran toward the collapsing structure. We built this with love, Amara cried, and we'll hold it together with our lives if we must. Together, they stood at the center, bracing against the chaos as their tribes watched in awe. Suddenly, the trembling stopped. A golden light broke through the stormy sky, casting a warm glow over Amara and Kael. The cracks in the bridge began to seal themselves as if their love had called upon the spirit of the mountains. The villagers fell to their knees, overwhelmed by the power of what they had witnessed. Peace wasn't just an idea, it was alive, breathing through the courage of two souls. The bridge, once a fragile connection, now stood strong, adorned with carvings of sun and moon, symbols of love and unity. Amara and Kael, their hair touched by silver, smiled as they watched children from both tribes play together. This is what we dreamed of, Amara whispered. Kael took her hand. It was worth every battle, every sacrifice. Love can move mountains, Amara, and it always will. If this story touched your heart, imagine the endless wisdom and inspiration waiting for you in our next tales. Subscribe to our Make First Move YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to join us on a journey of love, courage, and timeless lessons. Together, we'll continue to uncover stories that remind us of what truly matters. Don't miss out. Subscribe now.